Okay, well, this is what I found after pulling off the cylinder and the head. We got a nice blown piston. I pulled the exhaust off and found chunks of metal. I'll show you what that looks like. This is what I found inside the exhaust. Pieces of piston. There's the head. That's pretty damaged. Valve is gone. Cylinder looks good. I don't see any scoring. So that's what we're dealing with here. Hacked up head. And a nice blown piston. That's about all I'm going to do today. I've got grass to cut. It's a beautiful day. Rhododendrons are looking good. That's about it. Okay, this is what I found in the exhaust pipe when removing it. Chunks of piston. This is the piston here. The whole top is disintegrated. A little bit of the side, the skirt. That's why I had no compression. And here's the head. As you can see, looks like the exhaust valve is completely gone. And the head's all chewed up. It must have been a loud noise. Here's the cylinder. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I don't see any scoring, so hopefully I'll be able to save this. Just give it a quick honing. So, looks like I gotta find a head, a used one. Alright, stay tuned.